Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing review of the Duracell 750 amp jump starter. I was able to nab this from Pepboys for $59, so it's pretty much available. They say they're like the biggest distributor of Duracell. I don't know if it's something that they worked out a specific deal with them, or if you can grab these at all the other automotive stores like O'Reilly's, AutoZone, but I did grab this from Pepboys, so shameless plug to them. This is the 750 amp. There are two different jump starters available from them that I saw that were readily available. The other one was, I think, similar in output rating for this one, but the other one had an additional function, was that it was an air compressor. I chose not to get that one just because I didn't need an air compressor, and also the other reviews that I kind of looked at before purchasing this, mentioned that like the build quality of the compressor component of it was not the greatest, so that's why I didn't do it. This jump starter has the ability for jump starting 4, 6, and 8 cylinder vehicles. Just kind of overall view of the back. Some call outs, the package containing, the jump starter itself, the AC charger, quick start guide, some photos to make you feel better about the actual utility of this product itself. It mentions it has a LED work light, 3-color battery level indicator, even the ability to charge your smartphone or tablet, which is kind of useless in this photo because it looks like they're right next to another building, but if you're outdoors, off-roading, something like that, that could be pretty helpful for you. And of course, this product has a 2-year warranty. So let's get into it. I was kind of hoping when I bought it that the product was like much smaller than this and the boxing was just unnecessary, but we'll see when we get in here. Looks like it's pretty much the entire thing. This is the quick start guide and the registration for product warranty, so don't lose that. Make sure you do that so you cover your end for anything damage wise. Overall, size wise, I think this is kind of to be expected for a jump starter for a 8-cylinder capability. Cool call outs is that the LED work light, battery level indicator has 3 different colors, red, orange, green, or yellow. I don't know, I'm probably colorblind. USB port for you to, charge your cell phone, laptop. I don't know about laptop, but maybe tablet. And then the charging port for the AC wall outlet. Let's see, where is, I think this is where they hide the charging components. Yeah, it looks like that's the male part to that. And yeah, so the wall outlet charging portion, just directly put that into the top side of this jump starter. But it's pretty cool that they built in. It's kind of unnecessary. It's like, I feel like maybe this could have been even smaller, to be honest, because of this whole little hideaway portion, but I guess it's always good to be able to keep all your parts in where you need them to be so you don't lose them. Hopefully I can get it back in without it being impossible. I don't have to like squeeze something. Nope, so that's good. Yeah, let's look at the clamps and wires itself. Looks to be pretty thick, durable material. The clamps have a good action and spring on it. I think rubber covering on it's pretty durable too. Then let's see what the warning sign says, because they're always very interesting. If I can read the language. It says to charge for at least 24 hours before use and every 3 months after. If not regularly charged, internal battery will be damaged and function will be impaired and warranty may be voided. So make sure you read all of that. Has instructions on connecting the jump starter to your battery, start your car, disconnect jump starter. I mean, it's pretty simple, but yeah, no, it seems like so far it's gonna be a very good addition, I guess, to all the things that I have coming up for the truck. And I grabbed it because I kind of left my car unattended since quarantine started, and now the battery itself is dead, so do need to get it started and up and running. Yeah, so hopefully you guys like this unboxing review. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll do my best to answer it. And for size comparison's sake, a couple of Funko Pops and a lot more of them in weight probably equals this Duracell jump starter. Thanks.